Stop excuses and create wealth. So, if you want to know what I'm on about, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So, if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and what I'm on about when I say stop excuses and create wealth. What I'm on about is everything is in your head basically. Everything that you tell yourself is in your head. Because anybody can actually do this. Anyone can create a YouTube channel and grow it to 100,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers. It doesn't matter, creating multiple millions. It doesn't matter. These people that actually make the money are not different than I am or that you are. Everything that you tell yourself is lies about, all your excuses on, you can't do this because this and this and this and this, because you're focusing on what might happen. But focus on what can happen. Focus on what's available. Why would it stop you? There's no real reason except that the reasons that you actually tell yourself, like, I can't do this because I don't have money, I don't have, I don't know the right people, I don't know all these different things. But everything is available on the internet. You can do anything that you want. No matter if you're born in some really poor place, if you have an internet connection, then you can make some money. It's just as simple as that. You don't actually have to have the money, but you do need an internet connection. And by the way, the internet connection can be McDonald's. If you don't have one at home, it doesn't matter. But you can absolutely make some money with that. Remember that you're doing this for you. Nobody else will do this, not your parents, not your friends, not your family. Nobody will actually do this for you. You have to actually start to do it. Because every time you come up with an excuse, then you won't make anything happen because it's just an excuse. But this will stop you from achieving anything, because if you have this idea and this idea but you can't start it because of this, just work backwards and start from the beginning. Like, how can I get there, and what's the step before, until you get to the step where you are now, and then you can actually focus on it. So just do that and focus on actually building something that you want to build. Why are you chasing your dreams? Remember that. You need to remember why you do this, why you want to do this, and just remind yourself every day. Start visualizing it. Do everything in your power to actually get you to do it. Like, get off your butt and actually start working. I highly suggest that if you get to the end of this video, you just shut it down and actually make a plan for you to do it. And if you already have the plan and you know what it takes, just start doing it, because I see so many people that will start doing YouTube tomorrow. There are 1 million people doing that. I will start tomorrow, but when they get to tomorrow, they will start tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow. And in the end, they never start. And by the time they do start, if they do, everyone that started before them, like right when they should have started, well, they probably have 100,000 subscribers and they have nothing, and they have to start all over again. So the best time to plant a tree was 1,000 years ago. The next best time is now. So just do whatever you want to do, but do it now, because just time flies and you don't realize it until it's too late. So don't be sorry later. Be grateful later. So just do it now and start actually putting in the work to where you want to go. No matter if it's money-wise, no matter if it's starting a YouTube channel or affiliate marketing like I do on this channel, like I talk about, but it can do anything. Just start now. So with that being said, this was a little bit different, like a different video, but I really wanted to light you up, and if one person gets to start right now, then I'll have made my job. So I have a ton of other videos where it's more down to earth and really how to actually do it and the technical ways to do it. So browse my channel if you're interested in really starting out now. And with that being said, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.